A cordless stick vacuum is a modern and convenient cleaning device that has gained popularity in recent years. When choosing a cordless stick vacuum for your needs, it is essential to consider their battery life, suction power, and specific features. They are a fantastic choice for everyday cleaning tasks, quick pickups, and maintaining a tidy living space without the hassle of cords and heavy equipment. In this video, I will tell you about the 3 best cordless stick vacuums on the market. I have given the product links in the video description. I hope you will get the best product of your choice, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews. Number 3. Black & Decker PowerSeries Plus 16-Volt Max Cordless Vacuum. For those whose budget is around $100, this cordless stick vacuum will be the best overall option. It's engineered to access confined spaces under couches and beds by lying flat while using it. Plus, it has a convenient self-standing capability for easy storage when your cleaning work is done. This cordless stick vacuum can offer an impressive runtime of up to 44 minutes. It has auto-sense technology, which automatically adjusts the suction power based on the type of flooring you're cleaning. Whether you're tackling carpets or hardwood floors, this vacuum has you covered, delivering up to 25% more pickup on carpets. It has an anti-tangle brush bar. Dealing with pet hair and debris is a real challenge for vacuum cleaners. This brush bar makes quick work of picking up and removing hair, saving you time and effort. Maintaining your vacuum filter is crucial for optimum performance. The Black & Decker PowerSeries Plus features a cyclonic filtration system that keeps the filter clean, ensuring that your vacuum operates at peak efficiency. This vacuum has LED lights to find hidden dirt on your floor in the dark. With the integrated LED floor headlights, you can easily locate and clean those elusive particles, leaving your floors spotless. The vacuum's angled floor head is designed to clean various floor types, from carpets to hardwood. This versatility means you won't need multiple vacuums for different surfaces. For those who suffer from allergies or want cleaner air, the Smartvac 11 boasts a 5-stage high-efficiency filtration system. It can capture an impressive 99.9% of tiny dust particles and purify the air as it cleans. The 1.5-liter dust cup is another best feature, and emptying it is a breeze with the push-button mechanism. Another advantage is the vacuum's self-sustaining ability. It stands upright on its own, saving space and making storage a breeze. The PowerSeries Plus 16-Volt Max Cordless Vacuum is ideal for a range of specific uses, including deep carpet cleaning and effectively tackling staircases. Its adaptability to different surfaces and its ability to transform into a handheld vacuum makes it a versatile tool for any home. This vacuum is very easy to clean, easy to empty, and ready for the next session. Whether you have a large mess to clean or need to reach tight spaces, this vacuum has you covered. With the Black & Decker PowerSeries Plus 16-Volt Max Cordless Vacuum, you can enjoy a clean, tidy home without the hassle. Don't forget to add this vacuum to your cleaning arsenal. Number 2. Hompany Smartvac 11 Cordless Vacuum. For those who are looking for a good cordless stick vacuum on the best budget, this vacuum will be a great choice. One of the best features of this vacuum cleaner is its 40 kilopascals powerful suction, driven by a robust 500-watt motor. This means it can effortlessly remove dirt, debris, and even stubborn pet hair from various surfaces, including long pile carpets. The LED smart sensor panel on the vacuum cleaner is a game changer. It provides a user-friendly interface that allows you to control the device with a simple touch. You can easily switch between suction modes, check battery life, monitor dust cup fullness, and even get real-time fault alerts. It's like having all the information you need at your fingertips. Another advantage is the Smartvac 11 cordless vacuum is its battery life. This vacuum breaks the mold with its upgraded battery pack. It's got 8 2500 mAh batteries, which means up to 60 minutes of runtime on the lowest suction setting. Plus, it charges fully in just 4 to 5 hours. Cleaning under furniture and in tight corners is always a challenge. The Smartvac 11 comes equipped with a V-shaped rolling brush that effectively reduces hair entanglement. Also, the brush head's swivel steering allows it to reach areas from 0 degree to 180 degrees sideways and 0 degree to 90 degree up and down. It has 6 bright LED lights that illuminate hidden dust, leaving no place for dirt to hide. For those who suffer from allergies or want cleaner air, the Smartvac 11 boasts a 5-stage high-efficiency filtration system. It can capture an impressive 99.9% of tiny dust particles and purify the air as it cleans. The 1.5-liter dust cup is another best feature, and emptying it is a breeze with the push-button mechanism. The Hompany Smartvac 11 cordless vacuum is a game-changing cleaning device. Its powerful suction, smart touch display, long-lasting battery, flexible brush, and high-efficiency filtration system make it a top-notch cleaning companion. If you want to streamline your cleaning routine and achieve unparalleled results, this vacuum cleaner is a must-consider. Number 1. Dyson V12 Detect Slim Cordless Vacuum. This vacuum is a premium choice. Those who need a premium quality upright vacuum should definitely consider this vacuum. The first thing that will catch your attention is the vacuum's lightweight and compact design. The V12 Detect Slim is 24% lighter than its predecessor, the V15 Detect, making it incredibly easy to handle. It powers on with the press of a single button, allowing you to effortlessly switch hands while cleaning. Its ergonomic design means it can reach into tight spaces, making it a breeze to clean even the most challenging areas of your home. It's a versatile cleaning tool designed to handle various tasks with ease. Its soft nylon and anti-static carbon fiber filaments make it gentle on hard floors, while effectively removing dust from narrow gaps. The low-profile design allows it to reach under furniture effortlessly. This vacuum's versatility extends to cleaning floors, hard-to-reach places, and even mattresses. It can also be converted into a handheld vacuum, making it perfect for cleaning your car, stairs, upholstery, and more. One of the best features of this vacuum is its Dyson hyperdymium motor, which spins at an astonishing 125,000 revolutions per minute to generate powerful suction for a deep clean. The motor has the ability to deliver 30% more power and up to 60 minutes of runtime, leaving no dirt or debris behind. The single-button power control conveniently lets you navigate obstacles effortlessly while cleaning. The vacuum's LCD screen provides real-time information. It displays the runtime countdown, power mode, and maintenance alerts, allowing you to plan your cleaning sessions effectively. What's even more impressive is its ability to adapt power based on detected debris, ensuring efficient cleaning. As you clean, the screen provides a satisfying visual representation of your progress. With 3 cleaning modes optimized for various tasks, the Dyson V12 Detect Slim offers the right balance of power and runtime where you need it most. The motor bar cleaner head powerfully sucks dust and hair from all floors, and its tangle-free comb can automatically clean hair from the brush bar. The fluffy optic cleaner head reveals hidden dust on hard floors, ensuring no speck of dirt is left behind. Also, the hair screw tool is perfect for pet owners, as it efficiently removes long hair and pet hair from pet beds, car seats, stairs, and more. The Dyson V12 Detect Slim comes with 5 Dyson-engineered accessories, making it suitable for cleaning up high, down low, and everywhere in between. For those concerned about air quality, this vacuum is equipped with advanced whole machine filtration that can trap and clean 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. Charging and storage of this vacuum is a breeze. It comes with a wall-mounted dock, so it's always ready to grab and go. The point-and-shoot mechanism on this vacuum hygienically ejects dust and debris in one action, eliminating the need to touch the dirt and keeping your hands clean. It's even United States ergonomics certified. Plus, it's made from strong and lightweight materials, backed by a 2-year warranty and lifetime Dyson support. The Dyson V12 Detect Slim Cordless Vacuum is a game-changer in the world of home cleaning. If you want to make cleaning your home easier, more efficient, and even a little more enjoyable, be sure to pick up this premium choice vacuum.